welcome back to my channel. I'm Stylist Lee, and if you're new, be sure to subscribe below. Today we have something very exciting for you all today. I'm going to be showing you the most effective way to do a protective style. I'm going to be demonstrating to you how to do a basic twist out using just water and foam wrap. I suggest you keep watching because you're not going to want to miss this. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm happy you guys are here. This simple technique was very easy for you guys to do, and it's really great on natural curly hair. This can be done on relaxed hair or it can be done on kinky curly hair. Within my experience, I found that the more natural you are regarding your hair texture when we're talking about curl patterns, the better this looks, as in more crinkles, and it also lasts a little bit longer. This technique is actually something that I used to do back in high school. This was the go-to style for natural hair girls and relaxer hair girls, especially if you lived in the South. It was a lot of humidity. So we always wanted to try to do styles that would combat the humidity and keeping our hair from getting frizzy. But first, what I'm doing here is we're starting off on clean hair. I went ahead and mixed the hair up with water. You always want to make sure that you are doing this on wet hair. The curls will tend to show more on this twist out versus if you were to try to do this on dry hair. So right now I'm just combing through, doing my sectioning, and I used a foam wrap. The foam wrap of choice today, I am using Care's foam wrap, but you can use any foam wrap of your choice. This particular foam wrap does not get flaky, so I found that it's very useful, but there is a numerous of foam wraps that I do like to use, just depending on the service that I'm doing. With this twist out, you can either do it counterclockwise when you're twisting and basically gradually picking up hair from the base, or you can do it clockwise. It really just depends on what's comfortable with your hands and how you set them, but for me, I like to do it counterclockwise. Once I'm finished with twisting it, I like to secure it with a rubber band just so the hair won't come unraveled. And I'm just pretty much going to repeat this process throughout the whole head. Some people, they like to do it straight back. Depending on how you like to wear your twist out, you may want to put it on an angle. You can put it from going downward on the side. It really is just up to you on how you want those curls to flow and frame your face. So right now I decided to do it on an angle because I just kind of wanted to look angular. So basically I'm making her right side of her head a little bit more heavier so those crinkles can lay. But like I was saying before, with a twist out, it's very great on natural hair. It's easy to do, and it's definitely great for if you stay in humidity areas like the East Coast, or especially the lower, the South side, not the South side, in the South in America. That's including Louisiana, Alabama, Mississippi, Texas. Texas is really bad when it comes to mist and humidity. This is a really great style for that. So I'm just continuing to do my counterclockwise twisting method. And also I want to let you guys know you can also use gel if you don't want to use foamy wrap. Some people find that gel works even better because it's a little more sticky and tacky, so the twist tends to last longer. With a style like this, you do want to make sure that the hair is completely dry if you want to get the best results, and sit under the dryer, or you can let it air dry. Now in high school, when we used to wear this style, this was something that we would actually wear as twists, and you would see young ladies wear it for maybe a week, and then after a week we would take it out and you find that the curls looked really, really good. So once we've completed our twist out, we are going to seal it with a perm rod on the end. And basically doing the perm rod on the end is just to give it a nice curl definition at the bottom so it won't be stringy. So for the demonstration of this video, I did sit her under the dryer for approximately 30 minutes. To be honest, I probably should have left it under the dryer for an hour to an hour and a half, but I just kind of wanted to get the results out to be for you guys to see it. And I took her out a little bit sooner than I should have. So the crinkles weren't as crinkly or curly as I would have liked them to be, but just note when doing this on yourself, you want to make sure that the hair is thoroughly dry. So if, for example, if you decide that you wanted to wear it for a day in the twist, that'd be great, because when you are ready to take it out and remove the twist and unravel them, the curls will be very, very defined. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time.